Consider the utility function of the form, which is the following, which is true. So very, very simple. This is just monotonic transformation. So for this, if I square this, if my Vxy is root x plus y, squaring it will give me V square is equal to x plus y. So V square is just a new utility function. So I can say that, okay, let's say that this is W, this is x plus y. This is substitute goods. And if I look at this utility function, then this is of the form ax plus by. This is also substitute goods. So both represent substitute goods. So the answer is x and y are perfect substitutes in both the utility functions. Okay, let's go to the next question. Suppose x1 star, x2 star maximizes utility subject to budget constraint, and the budget constraints hold equality at this bundle. Now, the consumption bundle that minimizes expenditure is subject to attaining at least U dash level of utility. Okay. So here is what this question is saying. This question is saying that you have this as the budget line. Okay. This is given to you. You find a bundle that is maximizing your utility. Itna. This is your given level of utility. This is your equilibrium bundle, x1 star, x2 star. This bundle fetches your utility U star. Now it says the opposite. It says supposedly, yahan pe I was given the budget line. I found which is the maximum utility possible. So I went to the highest IC possible. Now it says supposedly I want to achieve at least U star utility or more than that. At least this much or more than this. Then what is the minimum expenditure that I have to spend? I can spend exactly this much because it is the same bundle that is fetching me U star utility. But if I want a utility more than U star, then my expenditure will also be more, right? I will have to be on a higher budget line. So this is actually my duality problem. One is saying that given the income of the consumer, you want to find the maximum utility. This is what we do in Marshallian demand. But once we find this Marshallian, then we go all the way to Hicksian, right? Using Shepard's lemma. So we are saying, okay, now if I revert the problem and I tell you that I want to achieve a given level of utility, what is the minimum money in which I can achieve it? This is what the question is saying. So if you want to achieve exactly U star, then that same level of income is sufficient. But if you want to achieve any utility greater than or equal to U star, then you want your money greater than equal to your earlier income. If you want to cross this U star level of utility, then you must have more money with you also. So coming back to the question, the answer should be this. It says that I want at least U star or more than U star. Minimum is U star. It does not say you want only U star. It says at least U star or more than U star. So if for U star level of utility, Y was my income, then if I want more than this utility, I want to increase my income also. So it results in expenditure greater than Y and is not equal to X1 star, X2 star. Because X1 star, X2 star is giving me exactly U star. So if I want to achieve a utility more than U star, I would need an expenditure more than income also.